So guys, here's a lovely macaroni pie. And tell me, isn't this beautiful? This is really beautiful, and you should really make this for you and your family, you and your friends, whoever you want to make it for. Hey guys, today I'm making macaroni pie, and here's all the ingredients that I'm gonna use. Here we have some edible macaroni that I'm gonna use, and as you know, you can use the amount that you need, so I'm not gonna really say how much I'm using right now. Here I have some cheddar cheese, I have some mozzarella cheese, and I have more cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like, and you can use any amount of cheese that you want. Here I have some garlic, some bell peppers, paprika, parsley flakes. I have some onion, butter right there. I have some thicken that I break into small pieces. I have cow's milk, evaporated milk, and here I have 2 eggs, and here is my baking dish. So I have a pot on the fire with some boiling water, and the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to add my macaroni to cook. Guys, here I'm adding the macaroni to this. I already add some salt to the water, so now I'm going to just go to stir this. I am just going to stir it. So I'm just going to stir this around, and I'm going to cover it so it can cook. I don't have to leave it to cook until it's perfect, because you're still going to have to cook it, put it in the oven. So guys, look at this. This is ready. As you can see, there's still some water in it, but it's ready. Yes, because remember I said you don't have to let it cook to perfection. Even though this is soft, but it still has its form, you know, it's not crushed out or anything. So, and you notice how they're, look at that, notice how they're moving about, they're not stick together. I don't like macaroni sticking to one another, so I always put a little oil in the water, like I always said. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, normally I would just drain this macaroni off, but I'm not gonna do that today. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna leave it in the pot like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make my sauce. I'm just gonna pour it right into this, and I'm just gonna mix it right here before I pour it into the dish. So guys, here I have a pot with a piece of butter that is melting. I'm going to add some garlic to this. Oh my god, garlic in butter is just always something else. Always something else. You should really smell this. Always something else. Also, I'm going to add the onions. The pepper is red and green. I'm just gonna add some spice to this, and you can put whatever you want. Put any spice of your choice. I'm just putting what I have here. I'm just gonna put some powdered seasoning. I don't have to give any name, just put the one you like, whatever you have, like I said. I'm also gonna put some dry basil. And that, as you know, Miss Brown, she do it her style. I'm coming in now with the cow's milk. Then I'm gonna add some evaporated milk. Guys, tell me about it. I'm coming in with some cheddar. Guys, if you have chicken seasoning, all purpose, whatever you have and you want to put it in there, put it in there. You know, you're looking for that nice taste when your pie is finished, so go for it. Add whatever you can in it. I'm coming in some mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna put a little of the white cheddar because I'm gonna save some to put on top of the pie. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is really, really lovely. And this is what you're looking for. This is exactly what you're looking for. This stay here for a little while. Just for a little minute or so while I make my way over to the macaroni. What I'm going to do with the macaroni is I have 2 eggs. I'm going to whisk it and I'm going to put it in the macaroni. So guys, I had to pour it in this because it's a lot. The macaroni is a lot. Here I have 3 eggs. It was 2, but because I saw that it's so much macaroni, I had to add it to it, guys. So that's 3 eggs right there. I'm just gonna try to incorporate this egg into the macaroni as best as I can. Taking my time, as you can see here. Spreading the egg evenly. Yes, it's working out. It's really working out, guys. So that's okay. Take my time and add the sauce also. So that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, I got this beautiful sauce right here. I'm just gonna pour it in like this. Guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. Guys, look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, this is really, really beautiful. This is going to be one lovely macaroni pie right here. To get this incorporated nicely, and I just make sure it's spread evenly. There's not gonna be a section that's well cheesy and then the other no. So what I do, I remove the ones from down here, put them up here, and push the one from this corner. Are you seeing this, guys? Oh my god, this is one beautiful macaroni salad. Yeah, very, very beautiful. So guys, as you can see, I have the pieces of chicken. Hey guys, this is gonna be one lovely pie. I'm telling you, you can come over for some. It's a lot. You can come over for some. I can share. I am always a kind girl. I can really share this with you guys. So come over for some. And this is like a complete meal right here. Because as you can see, it has meat, it has every little thing. Oh my god, guys, you should taste this. And this is actually something you can just eat by itself right now without even putting it in the oven. Taste this and trust me, it's very nice. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add the rest of my cheddar cheese on top of this. Lovely parsley flakes. Beautiful. And guys, I'm just gonna cover this with some aluminum foil. And I'm just gonna put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Because remember guys, this is already cooked. It's already cooked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the oven. So guys, here's a lovely macaroni pie. And tell me, isn't this beautiful? This is really beautiful, and you should really make this for you and your family, you and your friends, whoever you want to make it for. Just make it. Make this. Look at this, guys. I know you definitely want to taste this right now. So guys, this is a lovely macaroni pie. And y'all know this went down Miss Brown style already, you know. So guys, make some for you and your family.